खेळ खरो चलवोस नेटान तू पंच मार अंगान नासा ही जिद नवी वस नेटान तू पंच मार चल हुक घाल तू स्ट्रेट पंच मार तू नॉक आउट करून उडय मार तेका फोड तेका मोड तेका सोडी ना काय बॉक्सिंग चॅम्पियन गोयतो कोरिया बॉक्सिंग Korea boxing, Korea boxing, Korea boxing, Korea boxing, Korea boxing, Korea boxing.
Sports and games teach a player many things that help him to become a better person in life. Sports teach a player that failures and successes are written on the alternate steps of life. It teaches them the art of sharing, dealing with problems, backing up and helping each other. We should strive hard to achieve excellence and reach our goals. We may not succeed the first time, but keep trying till we succeed. I hereby declare the Goa Boxing Championship 2020 open.
विश्वास नवा हो खेळ खरो चलवोस नेटान तू पंच मार अंगान नासा ही जिद नवी वस नेटान तू पंच मार
have to promote the other sports also, like how Prudent Media has done this time, that it has given a promotion to a sport like that of boxing. And this is how we came to know there are so many boxes over here in Goa. So I hope such kind of organizations also need to come ahead, and they need to come up with such event so that the sport is known to more people, and when they'll be recognized, there will be more people participating. Parents will also have a confidence that the child has a future in this particular sport.
Surely. First of all, really thanks to Prudent Media for actually getting this up and going, because I feel in any sport to succeed in India, the backing of a strong player, call it a kind of a father figure, if you will, in a sport is very, very important. A coach, if you will, is very, very important, because the dynamics of sports is a lot around sports as well. It's not just the sports. And to have that strength and the ability to channel and harness the sport and take it to its logical conclusion in terms of the ability for the sports to be recognized as a major sports in India, whether it's at a league system, whether it's at a national system or a state system, or even international, or even Olympics, right? So I think this is actually planting the seeds, the right seeds, in the right way, in the right season, so that at least over the period of time, it bears the fruit that it is supposed to. And I think this is really at a tipping point for sports, because it's not just about cricket, not just about soccer, and you have other formats of different sports as well, but boxing is something which is a very, it's a sport that I feel like all other sports builds a lot of character, a lot of stamina is required for it, and whatever happens in the ring, it really gives you the never given feel and teaches you never to give in. And I think that is something, as within the Indian ethos as a discipline, is very, very important and required.
If you train the boys from young, okay, and they will learn much faster and quicker than the other boxers. But in the beginning, it takes them a while. So they think boxing is aggression. And we too want aggression, okay? Because modern boxing is aggression. It is a matter of scoring, okay? But with stamina. So what we do is we train the boys for aggression. We teach them the basic punches and then let them go into aggression. We do not teach them the uppercuts, the hooks, the various different punches, but just the left straight and the right straight.